How to change location in weather app. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open weather app on your device. You'll find your location at the top. Simply click on the box-like icon at the top right beside three dots. In here, you'll find plus button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on it. Then at the top, search for the location you want to change it to. Then simply click on the location, and that location will be added in your weather app. Also, to directly add any location that you're in, what you can do is simply go back from the weather app. Go to your home screen, hold on to the weather app, which will open these options. Click on App Info. In App Info,